Hello, I'm Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone, and welcome again to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. Today, I am going to make you one of my favorites. So today, I'm going to make you some chicken hot with mushroom fried rice. The first thing first, let me show you what goodies that will come with our fried rice. Let me show you. Alright, for our chicken hot with mushroom fried rice, we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, 3 minced garlic, that's already, you can see it's already chopped here, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and over here is 3 ounces chopped also ginger, one of my favorite to add on to my chicken hot, and also some of our chili powder here. This is half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 ounce of dry dill weed, a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And let's not forget the capers. This is 2 ounces of capers, and this is a whole carrot that's been chopped, finely thinly chopped, and also I would say 4 ounces of chopped green onions. Chicken hot! This is a pound and a half of chicken hot that I am going to chop. You know what I like about chicken hot? This gives me a lot of protein. It's actually a superfood. It has good vitamins, for example, vitamin B12, zinc. So it's really good for you. You guys have an option to use any particular meat you would like. But today I am showing you some exotic cooking. Time for cooking. Put your fire at medium-high heat for about 1 minute. Put our virgin olive oil. Let's throw our fresh garlic, the ginger, the dill weed, in our chili powder, the lemon juice, and let's not forget our salt and our ground black pepper. The smell itself, it smells so good. Add the carrots. Let's add the green onions. Now again, I had said this is 2 ounces of pepper, but I'm also using about 1 ounce of pepper juice. So you want to make sure you put that in your notes if you're making this. I'm just going to stir this a little bit more, and I'm going to let it be cooked for 5 minutes. Over here I have 6 ounces of drinking water and 2 teaspoons of bouillon powder. If you do not have bouillon powder, you can also use some chicken stock or beef stock. Let's put our chicken on. Don't be afraid, guys. Try this recipe. So, at this point, we're gonna let this seared for 20 minutes. Cover it. We'll be back. Look at this. You guys can see the stock that we've used. It has subsided. Now, time to add our mushrooms. And kindly move some of the ingredients on the side, because in the center, I am going to put 1 egg. And let's just mix that. Let the egg be cooked for at least a minute or 2. We can mix all this now together. After cooking the egg, cover it again. Ta-da! Now time to add white rice. This is a cooked white rice. This is 2 cups of white rice. And I'm just gonna stir this, and it should be served in a couple of minutes. This recipe was never done before. This is my own recipe just for you guys. Please, again, share this to your families and your loved ones. Time for tasting. Again, I hope you guys get to enjoy my cooking show here. I'll see you guys again, yeah? Enjoy! The never-ending washing. I wash, I clean, I wash again, and I wash some more. Chicken heart! Look at this is about